Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll explain step-by-step how to connect your Steam account to Epic Games so you can link your accounts and sync supported features like friends. Step 1. Open a web browser on your PC or mobile device and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're using the correct Epic Games account you want to link. Step 2. Sign in to your Epic Games account. After logging in, move your cursor to your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Connections or Apps and Accounts section. This is where Epic Games allows you to link external platforms. Step 4. Look for the Steam icon in the list of available platforms. Once you find it, click the Connect button next to Steam. Step 5. A new window will open, redirecting you to the Steam login page. Enter your Steam username and password, then sign in to confirm the connection. Step 6. After signing in, Steam will ask for permission to share basic account information with Epic Games. Review the permissions and approve the request to continue. Step 7. Once the process is complete, you'll be redirected back to your Epic Games account page. You should now see Steam listed as a connected account. Step 8. If supported, Epic Games may automatically sync your Steam friends list, making it easier to find and add friends on Epic Games. That's it! Your Steam account is now successfully connected to Epic Games, and you can enjoy a more connected gaming experience across platforms. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial.